Hey everyone, today we're heading up Hell's Canyon here in southwestern Montana to do a little test. I've always wondered how a 29 plus tire does in snow, and with some recent snowfall, I think it's a perfect opportunity to test that out. I'm riding my Surly ice cream truck that's set up with a 29 plus wheel set. We'll start off with a gradual climb and then take some rough double track back down. So let's see how it goes. It's about 18 degrees out, I think, but there's a little storm kind of coming in, so I think it's gotten colder. It's gotten a little windier. Tires are doing fine on this super hard pack. It is hunting season, so a lot of people have been driving up this road. The double track that will be coming down, I'm guessing no one's gone on. There's a fence on this top end saying no motorized vehicles, so whew, icy. I think that double track will be the better test though, because it's gonna be a breaking trail. I can really feel the lower tire pressure on the dirt. It's just dragging. In the summer, I run these tires at about 12 or 13 psi in the front and 13 to 15 in the back, depending on the terrain. Right now, I'm running right around 10 in the front and 11 in the back. I just wanted to be able to handle the soft snow, so the lower pressure should give me some more float. Alright, here's the turnoff. Lowered the seat, since I still don't have a dropper. Opened the fork, let's see. Man, I hope there's more snow. That's all I'll have to do for now. Woo. Okay. Probably an inch or two right there. Slippery. I hit these drifts where it's a little bigger, a little deeper. If I had a more aggressive tire instead of these Chronicles, might be a little bit different story too. Woo. Pretty much no control. Skating through it. I always ride clipped in, except on snow rides I don't. I get tired of cleaning the snow out of my wheel or out of my shoes. Like rabbit tracks. Whew. This section's gonna be interesting. Oh goodness. Trying to stay on this ridge, but okay. It's floating over this. It's a little icy on top, that's probably why. It's got a crust. Whew. Yeah, it's doing okay. Oh, saved it. Okay. Good for your balance testing. Oh gosh. Okay. Alright. And We're out. All right, overall, I was pretty impressed with how those tires did. They definitely don't have the float of a full fat tire, so 3.8 inches up. They did surprisingly well. In a few inches of snow, it was a little squirrely. I was losing it a little bit. There are a couple spots I would have had some squirms from the bike anyway, just because of what was underneath it, and there's a little bit of ice, but you could get away with riding this in a few inches of snow. You may just be better off on a regular mountain bike, because it could cut through the snow and get down to the dirt, but really just depends. This is definitely not a replacement for a true fat bike, but it'll get you by if that's all you've got. So overall, I'm impressed. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.